Dear students, Assalamu alaikum. Welcome to the fall 2020 academic semester. For this semester, World University of Bangladesh facilities will look different. Will look a different way. We'll work together to maintain online-based education standards while sustaining the academic excellence and personalized attention that is identical with a World University of Bangladesh education system. As you start a new academic semester, take advantage of the many services available in the e-learning system to help you for achieving your full potentiality. As always, all the student services will be available online during the whole semester for my course. Your success is central to our mission at World University of Bangladesh. Many times you have questions or feel unsure how to proceed any lessons in your academic journey, please reach out me immediately. Don't hesitate to knock me. Okay. Now this is the course outline. In this lecture, I will discuss about the mineral identification and necessary references have attached here. Okay. Mineral identification. This is the another part of mineral identification. Dear students, what are the difference can you see between these minerals that could help identify them? What properties could be used to identify minerals? Do you know? Okay. Now we are going to the properties on which depends on the characteristics of minerals or identification of minerals. Okay. Now there are six main characteristics that can be used to identify the mineral. One is color, another is crystals like shape, hardness, streak, cleavage or and flexure, luster, and Cadbury's or chocolate hardly stays creamy for long. Okay, color. Uh, it's the most important thing for mineral identification because when you just firstly collect a raw information about the color, see the minerals and identify the what is the color of the minerals. Okay, it's pretty easy to tell the color of a mineral and it can give a clue to identify the minerals. Okay, however the color alone cannot identify a mineral. For example, pyrite, coal, false gold and gold are both the same color. That means which one is pyrite and which one is gold, you never know, or you are unable to identify depending on the color. But color is the clue of identification of mineral. Okay. In addition, not all minerals are the same color all the next time. For the example, a mineral corundum can occur in the several different colors due to impurities. Okay, corundum is better known as amethyst, purple, emerald, green, topaz, yellow, and the rubic red. In its pure form, corundum is white. Okay, amethyst is a violet variety of quartz. The name comes from the Korean Greek. Okay, crystal shape. Minerals sometimes occur as crystals. A crystal occurs naturally and has straight edges, flat sides, and regular edges. Okay, you see here in the picture there are various examples of crystals. Each minerals from a specific shape of crystal, so it can be used for identification of purpose. Okay. Hardness is another important term for identification of mineral. The hardness of a mineral can be measured and compared to other minerals using the Mohs hardness scale. Okay, you see here the Mohs hardness scale. The scale goes from one, the softest, and the 10, the hardest, ranks minerals on their uh, scarceability. Okay, you see here, if your mineral is gypsum, the mineral hardness is 2. This is very near to the surface. Okay, and if your mineral it will be a diamond, this is hardness rank is 10, which is very hardest. Okay, now check the color a mineral leaves behind when it's rubbed on a hard surface, usually stick plate. The often color a mineral leaves behind is different from the color of mineral. Okay, the uses of stick is very important for mineral identification actually. Cleavage and fracture. Cleavage and fracture describes how a mineral breaks apart. Okay, way of minerals breaks apart can be a clue to its identify. Okay, if it breaks along smooth flat surface or planes, it is said to have cleavage. For example, calcite or mica. A mica can be pulled apart into thin plate sheet or halite forms flat edges when broken. Okay, if it breaks with rough or jagged edges, it is said to have fracture. Okay, obsidian fracture when broken apart, leaving rough or jagged edges. Actually, now luster. Luster, the way of mineral, reflects lights. Okay, the sunshineness, actually, the shineness or the luster of a mineral depends on how light is reflected from its surface. The surface of a mineral can be reflect light in many different ways, including metallic luster. The mineral reflects light like a polished pitch of metal. Vitreous luster, glassy, the mineral reflects light like a piece of glass when it is tilted from side to side. Okay, you see here the glassy reflection here. Pearly luster, the mineral reflects like a pearl. You see here the pearl. Dull luster, the mineral scatters the light will not appear shiny at all. This is actually dull luster. Okay, and this is another way of identification of mineral. This is the references, and this is actually your recommended textbook. You will find everything throughout this textbook. Furthermore, you can go through online site and get help more and more. Okay, thanks a lot for completing this lesson and your cordial efforts. Thank you very much.